Hey everybody, it's Chris and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to grudgingly restore the headlights on my Lexus LS430. I say grudgingly because I'm just tired. I don't know, this new vegan diet, I don't know, it's got me feeling sluggish this first week and a half. So anyway, it's hot, just hot. So I'm going to I actually got what is this? Come along with me. The 3M, this guy right here. The 3M headlight restoration system. You need a drill with it. Reading the reviews on Amazon looked like people was just using their hand, but I mean, I guess you could, but I'm gonna use a drill. I'm gonna use a corded drill instead of a battery operated one because the instructions say not to use variable speeds at while you're doing it. You want to just kind of keep it constant. And if you're using a battery operated drill, if your battery starts to go low, the speed will slow down. So while it might be more convenient, I'm going to just use a corded one. And make sure you have your goggles. You might want to even get a little mask just in case some dust kicks up. You don't want to breathe that in. I'm going to be doing it outside, so I should be okay. And that's that. Let's get started. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm nice and sweaty, and I'm hot. As you can see, I only did one lens because after doing the first step, I was concerned I might have to buy me a new headlight because I just knew I just totally messed the joint up. But this thing came out. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that. It's like brand new. It was scary for a long time. I just knew I'm gonna have to go to the dealership. It was like, yeah, apply that second sanding paper and it'll get rid of the scratches. Oh my bad. Ain't get rid of nothing. I was sitting there like, oh, see, I'm suing. I'm suing them. I'm glad I only did one side at a time because that was messed up. They owe me a new headlight and it's a Lexus too. No, this is not gonna be fun. No, that ain't gonna be cheap. But oh my gosh, you start to see it once you get to the having to spray the 3000. You see, oh, it's clearing up, and then that compound, oh my gosh. So anyway, I didn't even pay $20 for this thing. That was fantastic. Okay, that was fantastic. Anyway, this video was long as a mug already. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it now, but this is a product that definitely works. See you guys next time. Now you may or may not have noticed, but the driver's side headlight is a little clearer than the passenger side. That is not a glare. That is because during the step where you wet sand the headlights, I actually grabbed the wrong bottle, and instead of using water, I actually used this cleaner that I made, and it came out very noticeably clearer. So yeah, that's what that is. And yeah, on the bright side, at least I know my cleaner works.